Ready to go again.
But as I look out, I see your people.
Food. Yep, I got him. Good morning. Okay, I'm going to give you a tour of the house because it's so cute, and my hosts are at work, so let me give you a tour. So this is the room I'm staying in. This is the living room. There's the two dogs. That's Sage, and that's Kona. This is their living room area, bathroom. This is the dining room. Oh, and outside it's so pretty. So let's go outside. So this is the porch, and they're right next to like a river over there. Hold on, let me close the door. Oh no, did I just lock myself out? Oopsies. Oops. Well, we just locked ourselves out, but it's okay. There's the porch. It's their beautiful yard. Sorry guys, I locked us out because I don't know how to do. She told me how the door works. She told me how the door works, but obviously it didn't work in my brain. So, anyways, this is the river. She says it gets deeper, but this is kind of like shallow at the moment. So yeah, so pretty. So guess I'll be out here for a few hours. Can't believe I did that. Anyways, I should have just left it up. Great, let's go. We in Ohio, BTW. We got it. Funny. That's a long time Frozen custard.
So, that was kind of the reason I got the job that I got. Literally, 53 years.
Look at the sun. I'm not sure. Oh, Skin Flex tattoos. Yep. Oh, it looks good. Guys, we're about to check out. You can't see it, but let's go. Skin Flex tattoos.
Follow this path.
And they just added holes into it. This is Lake Erie. beautiful. So pretty. Yes. Look at all those pretty red ice cream. I know, I was like, what? Have you been here before, though? Yeah. See anything but birds stargazing. Okay, so we're going to the Asian Lantern Festival, and I'm leaving here, and